Hello guys, welcome to feeding.net. In this particular session, we are going to talk about two important concepts in string, that is string intern and string pool. So without wasting time, let's start the session. So what is string intern? So when two strings have same value, like in this example, str1 and str2 has same value, then it will not going to create a separate location for them in the memory. Generally what happen, suppose if there are two string like str1 and str2, and if they have two different value like str1 have hello 1 and str2 has hello 2, so by default, by nature of string, they will going to create two separate location in the memory. But here let's go step by step. First, we have str1 having value hello. So what it will do, it will create a location in the memory like at the rate a1211, and that variable will point to this location. Str1 point to this location. Now what happened, there is one more variable created, that is str2, but it is having the same value. So instead of pointing to a separate location, it will point to the same memory location. So that is the concept of string intern. Now try to understand string pool. So the concept by which string intern knows, okay, we have the same value, that is called string pool. So string pool is the pool of all values, like string pool will have str1 value. So what happened when you are trying to create str2 with same value, string intern internally checks from string pooling and see, okay, yes, we have the same value as hello. So instead of creating a separate location for str2, it will going to point to the same location. So what now, the biggest advantage of string pool is it optimizes your memory usage by reusing same string having the same value rather than creating multiple instances in the memory. And this helps reduce in memory consumption, and this is really benefit for the string heavy application. So I think concept is pretty much clear. Let's jump on to the coding demo. So we have a pretty simple example. We have two string variable str4, str5. Again, they have same value. So how to check that there is only a single memory location instead of two? Okay, so we have something called reference equal. So what reference equal does, it actually compares the memory location and not the value. So if str4 and str5 are pointing to same memory location, then it will going to return true, otherwise it will return false. And we have also checked whether these two have the same value. So when we debug this program, we have the output something like this, and you can see the comparison of reference equal gave us true. It means they are pointing to same memory location and even their values are same, hence this is also true. So I hope everything is pretty much clear to you. In case you have any query, just write down your message on the comment section, and please do subscribe the channel. Thanks.